day 30 of my 40-day water fast, so I have 10 more days. I want to start counting down from 10. So this is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So I didn't expect to be here, but there's an annual barbecue in the northern part of the city that I'm in right now. And I wasn't going to come, but because the weather was so nice, I decided to come, but it looks like it might rain. But as you can see, there's tons of kids and people here, and I'm feeling actually very good. I'm actually looking very thin, and my kids are like, you better start eating. I know, but I have 10 more days. So this is day 10. Feeling very thin, but still feeling very strong. Yesterday was not the best day. Today is a much better day in regards to how I feel. This morning was pretty intense. I felt kind of nauseous, but I'm feeling good right now. It's actually starting to rain. My daughter is doing face painting. Brianna, she's doing face painting, which I did last year, but this year I'm obviously not in a position I can actually sit down and do that for long periods of time. And everyone, I thought I brought treats for them, thinking that they would be sitting down with me eating food. No, they're running around doing their own thing. So much for that. All right. Let's go check out Brianna doing her face painting. She is so. It's starting to rain, so I think it's over. It happens like this every year. So we're not staying. It's actually full-fledged raining. So I'm gonna get myself together and get the chairs together and go into the building for now.